Lexical semantics. Semantic is the study of linguistic meaning. We can study meaning on a number and different levels. Here is my headlines. Lexical semantic is the study of meaning properties of individual words in isolation. Sentence semantic is the study of meaning properties of sentence or semantic relationship among the parts of sentence. Discourse semantic is the study of meaning of an extended course of semantic relationship among utterances used in context. Traditional semantics. They make assumption about meaning. The idea that the meaning of a phrase or sentence is the sum of its parts, leading to believe that dictionaries provide a single correct meaning for each word. Direct corresponds. It assumes a simple direct relationship between words and things in the real world, overlooking the complexity of words of those connections. Real word naming. In real-world naming, it assumes words primarily name things or objects in the real world, neglecting the fact that many words denote abstractions or nonentities. Basic semantic relation. Two utterances with the same meaning, like Philip purchased an automobile, Philip bought a car. Implication. Implication when one utterance logically necessitates another, such as Ellen lives in Toronto, entailing Ellen's live in Canada. Inclusion. One utterance encompasses another, like I like apple, like fruits. Contradiction. Statements or utterances that are logically contradictory, where if one is true, the other must be false. Anomaly. Utterances that violate semantic rules and have no meaning in the everyday world. Basic semantic relations. Lexical ambiguity. A word or phrase having more than one meaning in a context, like an old friend or large bill. Denotational connotation. Words with the literal meaning that also evoke feelings, attitudes, or opinions. Connotations. Polysemy. A word having more than related meaning out of the context, such as card or fire. Synonymy. In synonymy, we can say that this is structural semantics. It refers to the words that we have some meanings, huge and enormous. Hyponymy. It is relationship of inclusion or entailment. Example, rose is a hyponym of flower. Complementarity. It denotes a contradiction where denying one term asserts its complementary term, like single, married, alive, or dead. Antonymy. It involves concept within comparison. I like big, small, hot, cold. Converseness indicates reversal seen in verbs like a bug, buy, sell, or relationship like a husband and wife. Semantic features. In semantic features comprehension analysis, analyzing words by breaking them into basic semantic features. Semantic feature analysis example, illustrated with a livestock paradigm table showing shared features among words. Conclusion. Every word can be accounted for by a unique set of features. Feature analysis of nouns. Feature analysis of noun verb. First of all, let's talk about the situation types. In a situation types, noun can have various attributed semantic features help categorize nouns. Comprehensive analysis example. Features have an hierarchy making the same irrelevant based on other. Semantically, analysis depends on the conceptualness of an object. Relational features for kinship terms uses relational terms are analyzed using relational features. Feature analysis of verbal predicates. In here, we need to talk about the stative. Its verb involves change or not, durative. If a verb is continuous in type, telic, if the situation wasn't necessary in duplicate. Voluntary, if the situation involves voluntary action. Situation types, status, activities, accomplishment, and achievement. And in the status type, we can talk about the image, schema. Metaphor is like in a Turkish, you can think about this term in a Turkish meaning. For example, I am talking about the same thing, but actually I am referring to another meaning. Force schema and cognitive semantics are really important for the other parts. Thank you for listening to me.